Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy powder at home step by step. Begin by drying 1 cup granulated sugar, adding a teaspoon corn syrup and a few drops of food coloring, then spreading thin on parchment and baking at the lowest safe oven temperature while watching closely to prevent melting. Once crisp, cool completely and pulse in a spice grinder to a fine powder before storing in an airtight container. Weigh ingredients precisely to keep texture consistent, using 1 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon corn syrup for a small batch and a few drops of food coloring for color. If you prefer toasted flavor, briefly warm sugar in a dry pan until aromatic but not melted, then cool completely on parchment before processing. Use a high-speed spice grinder for a fine powder, sieve if needed, and store immediately in airtight jars away from humidity for freshness. Quick recommendation: if you like quality gear, consider Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfortable kitchen sessions and sticky fingers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals to make grabbing a pair easy, then return ready to continue learning how to make fluffy cotton candy powder. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavor extracts by adding 1 to 2 drops per cup of sugar to avoid sogginess, or try freeze-dried fruit powders for natural taste. Use food-grade color gels sparingly to maintain texture, and always label flavor and date clearly on containers for safe use. Remember to keep spice grinder clean between colors to prevent cross-contamination, and supervise children when using hot tools or sharp equipment during preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.